How to enable SMS verification codes. I'll share where to go to find these features and what it does. This is a Samsung phone with Android 15, and let's do this. Whether you want to turn this feature on or just know what it's all about, go ahead and use the quick access. And with the new One UI 7.0, you'll have a layout that looks like this. Tap on the settings icon right here, and you'll be taken to the main settings of your Samsung phone. Now I want you to go down until you see Google Services, or sometimes just Google. This one right here. Once you tap on it one time, you'll be taken to a menu layout that looks like this here, and you'll see all services to the top right section. Tap on that one time. Once in this section now, go ahead and scroll down and go down some more until you see the autofill part right here, this area right here. Now, once you're here, go to SMS verification codes. From here on, for the most part, these might be off, and go ahead and turn them on. And you're wondering now, what does it really do? So we got the autofill service here, which allow autofill service to enter verification codes from text message. So have you ever tried to register on an app or log in or some sort of setting that requires a confirmation code that will be sent to your regular messages app? And that code, when you get it, you'll most likely have to open up the message, either look at the code, copy it, or memorize it so you can go back in and input it into the app or where you're about to register with. The autofill service does that for you. So if you're on your phone and the app sent you the confirmation code or verification code, you'll see it in the messages. And once you go into the messages itself, it's going to automatically fill it into that area where you're supposed to fill in the codes for you. This doesn't work all the time, but for the most part it does. And I've tried it before and it worked for me. Really useful, by the way. And you also have the default browser. Allow default browser to enter verification codes from text messages. So if you're doing this on your default browser app on your phone, not a specific app, like you're registering online or doing something on a browser, then it would also work for the browser itself. And if this guide helped you out in any way or learned something new, like and sub.